All right. I'm sorry, folks, but I caught COVID-19. Um, I feel all right, at least for the most part. So here's going to be your plan for today. The first two things that I want you to do are check your solution to problem number one in the problem-solving portfolio. And then just remember that you need to show your solution in multiple ways to earn full credit. And then make sure you have defined and started to solve all three options for problem number two in your problem solving portfolio. So if you haven't done either of those two things, navigate to my course and then look under the Unit 1 problem solving. I will show the solution to problem 1, or at least most of that solution. And then I show how to set up options 1, 2, and 3 for problem number 2. So start there if you haven't done those things. If you have done all those already, then you can move on to this next step, which is to choose one of the options for problem number 2 and finish solving the problem. Again, I want to remind you that you must show your solution in multiple ways to earn full credit. Then you're going to read all three options for problem number 3. You're going to choose one of the options for problem number 3, and you're going to define and solve the problem. And then again, you must show your solution in multiple ways to earn full credit. So what do I mean by multiple ways? You could write your solution in words. You could show your arithmetic. You could make a table. You could make a graph. You could have visuals in there to show how you solved your problem. Just show me that you're thinking about solving the problem in more ways than just one. That's what you need to do to earn full credit. Okay, and then these are the options for problem number 3. I'm just going to read those real quick. Ice cream scoops, that's the first option. Ice cream shops with lots of flavors can make many different flavor combinations, even with only a 2-scoop cone. With one ice cream flavor, there's only one kind of 2-scoop cone. But with two flavors, there are 3 possible 2-scoop cones. So for example, you could do vanilla vanilla, chocolate chocolate, and vanilla chocolate. How many kinds of 2-scoop cones are possible with 10 flavors? Can you generalize how many 2-scoop cones are possible with any number of flavors? Marissa, John, and Stephanie, the second one is all the alarms. In this one, Marissa, John, and Stephanie are working a 3-hour shift together. Marissa has an alarm on her phone that goes off every 12 minutes. John's phone alarm goes off every 30 minutes, and Stephanie's phone alarm goes off every 45 minutes. If all of their alarms went off at the same time, 15 minutes into their shift, will they all go off at the same time again before their shift is over? Okay, and then the last problem is called how much for the pig? A farmer has n number of cows he takes to the market and sells for n dollars each. With his profit, he buys an odd number of sheep at $10 each and a pig for less than $10. How much did he pay for the pig? Okay, so pick one of these problems to try and solve, circle it, and then show me how you would solve it. And again, just a reminder, you need to show your solution in multiple ways. If you have any questions, watch the videos that I put in Schoology for problem number 1 and the 3 options for problem number 2. Send a message in Schoology if you have any questions. I can also call if you have any questions that need answering. Just send me a message and I can call the phone in my classroom. Okay, yeah, that should be it, folks. Good luck.